Okay everyone, the plan is simple. Get in, capture the points, get out.
Lots of climbing later.
Help me! Help me!
Hello there, I will shoot you now. That was easy. Now to capture that point. Hey, that point is ours.
Lots of climbing later.
You are dead!
How that hurt. Gotta climb to gain altitude. Altitude equal power.
Lots of climbing later.
Oh shoot, enemy diving on me, I gotta dodge. How that hurt. Haha, I'm now on your 6, I can shoot you now. Miss. Stop moving. Get back here. Never mind, I don't want to die.
A few moments later.
Don't worry guys, I have the perfect strategy for this. It's okay, I am fine. Never mind.
Disappointed!
Okay, if I'm gonna survive, I gotta climb.
Lots of climbing later.
Eeny meeny miny mo, which are you shall I choose to destroy? I pick you. You can't outearn a Spitfire, cause I Spitfire. This is a confusing turn fight. Now you die. Haha. Now, gotta climb to gain altitude. Altitude equal power. Again.
Lots of climbing later.
Congratulations, you won a free pass ticket to the afterlife. Now die.
I got the perfect plan. This is the greatest plan.
Okay, my fellow Spitfire. What was that?
Nice.
Okay everyone, time for round 2. But first I gotta climb.
2,000 years later.
It is time that I join the fight, starting with you.
A few moments later.
I think it's a little bit out of range now.
Later.
Now that hurt. Okay, I have the perfect plan. It's just you and
I will avenge my friend Hurricane by capturing a point. Here's my plan. First I go to point. Check. Next I capture point. Check. Then I get shot after capturing point. Wait, what? You gotta be kidding me.
Don't worry my friend, I got this. Tataas lang ako saglit.
6 hours later.
Okay, so here's the plan. I go to point B, capture it, then live. Never mind, someone is gonna take my life license. Then I shall take you. I think I'm gonna die.
Well, he didn't last very long. Hello there, here's a free ticket back to the hangar. Shoot, I missed. I'm just gonna capture this point instead. No. Spitfire, don't do it. Or what?
A few moments later.
how that hurt.
Oh, okay. I now know why.
Now that was odd.
A few moments later.
Now you get to die. If you were to gang up on me, work on your aim. It's so not killing me.
A few moments later.
What did I say about working on your aim? Let's speed this up, shall we? Stand still and die. Thank you. Now your turn. Never mind, I'ma shoot you instead.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Later.
What the heck is wrong with you? People. Can't you guys contribute better like I did? I did, it's just that the point is heavily guarded by the enemy. It's because it is. You didn't listen to what I said. Well, try harder, sucker.
Wow, you guys suck for real.
Says the guy who keeps dying.
Oh ho ho ho. Big words coming from a dude who thinks that a kamikaze is a perfect plan. Besides, I am literally unkillable. So I am a certified pro gamer.
You clearly died, dummy. You were alive because you were deployed last.
Dunno, man. Sounds like a skill issue coming from someone who fails to capture the point by being bad at dodging. So why don't you take this big fat L, loser? LMAO.
Ito na ang huling araw na kasama ko ikaw sa isang squad.
So they argued over one loss, so what? In the beginning of the video they clearly won. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell and comment down below for some tips and other game recommendations. And see you next time. Wait. Spitfire MKIIB, no.